All right, so now what are you about to do?
Turn on these blade thingies. This is, okay.
What are you doing?
Look, it's gonna turn on the
I
blades.
see it. Okay. All right.
My hand is out.
Oh crap! You're gonna have to fight zombies.
Well, get in there. Get back in the play area. What are you doing? Get in the play. You got to get in the play area.
Do it. Okay. Come on. Come on.
That's so deep.
I'm gonna die. Daddy, I'm gonna die.
Oh, you just
Keep
blocked.
fighting. Keep fighting.
But I'm gonna die.
Keep swinging. Swing.
Punch him in the face. Punch him in the face. Punch him into the blades if you can.
What are you leaning back for? Get in there. Get some. Show it his boss. Kick it. Kick it. Kick it.
You can kick
No,
now.
get out of the blade.
What are you
area.
doing? You're not.
Try
You're
to
like.
not get cut.
Okay.
See, I done got cut.
I done got cut.
If
Say,
you
oh,
wouldn't have been
You
talking
done
to
got
me-
cut. Okay. Yeah. You done got cut. Sit down. Your turn's over. Ethan, you're up.